To start running, this one. Touch this one. If you hit it stops. Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to use this vacuum machine. So let's go. So this is the turn on and up. Okay, this is the emergency stop. This is the level of your pad if you want to go up or down. So forward and backward. So that's it. And this is the speed. You see the rabbit and the turtle. Slow and then fast. This is the vacuum. There's a vacuum bag on it, and this is the pad. So it's easy. This one. This is the charging cord. Just step on it if you wanna put. So it's now ready to go. Make your floor shine back the floor.
Tell us a comment below, and if you found this video enjoyable, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit subscribe button, remember to click on notification bell. Also be sure to check other videos as well. Thanks for watching everyone. God bless.